Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be putting the shocks. We got brand new shocks to put on the square body build. I didn't film taking the other ones off, just didn't think about it. So we're going to go in there and we're going to get them put on. Alright, so we got the back shocks on. Not too difficult. Anyway, you guys working on taking the front ones out now, so I'm gonna get to help them, and I'll probably send you guys into a time lapse. Alright, so a little update. Like I said, I was gonna send you guys into a time lapse the other day when I filmed that segment. The front shocks didn't fit. So we gotta send them back, and then we gotta try to get some new ones, but they was out of stock, so I don't know when I'll be able to get them. So I guess I'll end that video here, and I'll just put the front shocks in another video. But next vid up should be the cab corners and rockers. Not a lot's gonna get filmed there because I'm not doing it, but I'll film the before and after. So with that being said, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.